In this video, I am going to teach you how to add your Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile so people can easily schedule meetings with you. It's a simple way to streamline appointments and boost your professional presence. Let's get started. First, go to your LinkedIn profile and make sure you're signed in to your account. You'll see your profile picture and headline at the top. Next, scroll down and look for resources. This section is usually located below your About section. Then click Creator Mode and turn it on. This will unlock more features and visibility options for your profile. Go back to your profile again and click the edit icon, the little pencil, beside your bio section. This will open up the editing window. Now scroll down and look for the website section, then paste the link to your Calendly. You can add a short description so visitors know what the link is for. Finally, click Save to update your profile. Your Calendly link will now be visible to anyone who views your profile. And that's how to add your Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more useful tips like this. See you next time!